In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are in the editor view of the correct file and page, and that you have the right permissions to access it. It helps to quickly glance at the file name at the top to confirm you are working on the right document, especially if you juggle multiple projects with similar titles. Next, head to the Figma menu icon in the top left corner. It's the multicolored Figma logo, and it's in the same spot whether you are using the desktop app or the browser version. Click that to open the main menu. From the drop-down, select File. This is where Figma keeps the core document actions, and it's the place you'll use for saving, duplicating, and other file-level tasks. Once you are in the File section, look for the option labeled Save Local Copy. Click that. Figma will create and download a Fig file to your computer. This is a Figma-specific file format that packages your design so it can be stored offline and later opened again in Figma. By default, it typically goes to your Downloads folder. But depending on your system settings, you may be prompted to choose a location. If you are keeping a library of backups, consider placing it in a clearly labeled folder, so it's easy to find later. A quick note on what's included. Local copies are perfect for backups and for transferring files between accounts or teams. But they do not include version history or comments. Think of the Fig file as a snapshot of the current state of your design. If your workflow relies on discussions or previous revisions, keep in mind those won't be embedded in this file. A few tips to keep your backups tidy and useful. Before you save, give your Figma file a clear, descriptive name. The downloaded .fig will inherit that title. Many designers add a date to the file name so it's obvious which backup is the most recent. Large files may take an extra moment to download, so let the process finish before closing Figma. And remember, saving a local copy doesn't change or delete anything in your original Figma project. It simply creates a separate file on your computer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.